In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in your Yahoo Mail account. If you're looking to freshen up the look of your inbox or give it a touch more personality, you've come to the right place. This process is quite simple and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Yahoo Mail account. To do this, navigate to the Yahoo Mail login page. Once there, type in your Yahoo email address into the provided field carefully, ensuring that you enter it correctly. Double-checking here will save you time later by avoiding any login mishaps. After you've entered your email, click the Next button. This action will lead you to the password entry screen. Here, you'll need to carefully type in your password. Again, accuracy is key to prevent any issues logging in. Once you've entered your password, click Next once more, which will take you straight to your inbox. Now that you're logged into Yahoo Mail, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a small gear icon, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a drop-down menu filled with various options to further personalize your email experience. Within this menu, keep an eye out for an option that reads Personalize Inbox, as this is where you'll begin the theme customization process. At this point, you'll see a range of theme options available to you. Yahoo provides several colorful themes to choose from, so take some time to browse through them. If something catches your eye, you can click on it to preview it instantly. This feature is especially handy because it allows you to see exactly how the new theme would look in your inbox before you make any final decisions. For those seeking extra customization, you can click on More Settings, located at the bottom of this drop-down menu. Selecting this will open a new panel on the left-hand side of your screen. In this new panel, choose the option labeled Appearance. This submenu features additional customization options like selecting either a light or dark mode for your interface. These modes offer a unique appeal and can really change the overall feel of your email viewing experience. If you have a particular aesthetic in mind, you might find the custom color option to be particularly appealing. This allows you to select a color palette that truly suits your personal style, adding another layer of personalization. Once you've made your selections, simply close the settings panel either by clicking outside it or by pressing the close button if one is available. Your new theme settings will be saved automatically, so you can begin enjoying your newly customized inbox immediately. And just like that, you've successfully changed the theme in your Yahoo Mail account, injecting a bit more personality into your daily email routine. If you ever feel like switching things up again, don't hesitate to revisit the settings menu.